Ready to build Power Virtual Agents with natural language?
Everything from trigger phrases right through to question nodes and messages gets generated right there in seconds right before your eyes.
It's already pretty easy. That is easier. Oh, and it can answer questions using content on your website. Come meet the smart new Power Virtual Agents. It wants to hear from you. Welcome to PowerCat Live. My name is Phil Topnis with the PowerCat team, and today we are back with Gary from Power Virtual Agents. Hey, Gary.
Hey, good to see you.
It's good to see you too. Now, last time you brought us all sorts of goodies for Power Virtual Agents. There's this thing called ChatGPT. I've been hearing a little bit in the news, and I mean, Bing has this amazing new chat search feature, right? These types of large language models they seem like they're everywhere. What have you got up your sleeve?
So one of the new features that we've got, which is a Copilot within Power Virtual Agents, is our new Describe It to Build It feature. When I'm creating a new topic, I can simply head to the New Topic button and you'll see a new option called Describe It to Build It. So you can say something along the lines of, create me a new topic to allow the user to check the status of a flight, take the flight date and flight number from the user, and even specify things like multiple choice options or specifics about how you'd like to collect that information. As soon as you've done that, you can simply hit the create button, and then we will use GPT to actually go and create a topic from scratch. Everything from trigger phrases right through to question nodes and messages gets generated right there in seconds right before your eyes. And what you're left with is a working topic immediately without you needing to lift a finger.
Now, once it's created, then am I back to the UI or will GPT help me out?
You now have a new Describe It pane right there within the authoring canvas. That then lets you actually then ask for additional changes and updates and iterations to your topic. So for example, messages and questions within Power Virtual Agents, one of the awesome new features that we've added is the ability to have multiple variations of each of your messages. Yeah. So I can now right there within the Describe It pane say, hey, add some message variations to all of my questions. And we'll use GPT in the background to go ahead and generate those for you and just add them to all of your questions. Or you can do things that are more specific. So you could say, hey, for this particular node, you could select that node to actually scope your request and then say, hey, add an option for, flight status to this multiple choice question, or add a confirmation prompt at the end of my topic. It's a massive productivity win.
Crazy.
And just further reduces the amount of time it takes you to be productive.
So that makes it ridiculously easy to create new topics. Sometimes I can't always imagine all the topics that someone could come to my bot and throw at me. What can I do then?
Now when you create your bot, it can be useful immediately out of the box. You can simply provide a website address and your bot can consume that, and we combine the power of Bing search with OpenAI to find appropriate answers and then summarize them with GPT.
So before I could give it like a FAQ page and it would absorb that page. You're not talking about one page now, right?
Using Boost Your Conversations now, your bot can actually go and take multiple pieces of information and then actually summarize them together into a single response. And that really is how we're elevating this beyond simply, more traditional knowledge-based search.
So Boost Your Conversations, that's something that I can add to an existing bot?
So it's not available in the GA version of Power Virtual Agents today. Both Describe It to Build It and Boost Your Conversations are features that we're bringing to the new Unified Authoring Canvas. So they'll be available in the Unified Authoring Canvas preview that's available right now.
And is there any additional cost to use these AI-based features?
No. At the moment, whilst we're in preview, there's absolutely no additional cost to you for using these features. We want everybody to jump in and try these out.
So that sounds pretty amazing that it could take all this knowledge and actually give me an intelligent response. A lot of the times this is like in my internal website, right? Like at Microsoft, we search internally. Can you take an internal website and use it for that purpose too?
Yeah, so absolutely everybody's going to be able to try it out with a public website, but we're also offering a gated preview, which you can sign up for, that allows you to search across internal data as well.
That link is in the description. Now you're still in preview and this is moving fast, right? It feels like that all of this GPT hype has come out of nowhere. What are the limitations while you're in preview that people should know about?
The features right now are available in US English only, and we will also be collecting telemetry around the requests that you make when you're, for example, authoring your bots. Now, it's important to note that in line with our policies, we've been through significant responsible AI reviews, as we do with all of our features like this. We don't use any of your request data to directly train our models. It's simply there for us to actually examine and understand how the feature's being used so that we can make it even better for you in the future.
And then another thing I've seen in, kind of in the media is that sometimes these AI models can hallucinate answers that are maybe inappropriate or not factual. How do we prevent against that?
Yeah, I mean, obviously, it's one of those areas that we've looked at really, really carefully, and we have a number of safeguards in place. I mean, firstly, in terms of inappropriate information, we have a content moderation, Azure Content Moderator, and also content moderation that's built into Azure OpenAI to make sure that we are not surfacing any inappropriate answers out to users. But also, we are working very, very carefully when we are training this feature to make sure that it really only produces answers based on the factual information, or certainly the information that's being pulled back by Bing Search from your website.
Sure.
And there's also a feature within Boost Your Conversations that then further allows you to tailor the types of content that you're returning from the service.
Gary, thanks so much for being here. Again, these are some really, really exciting features.
Thank you. Thanks so much for having me.